Turn negativity into your superpower. Ever wonder why that one bad comment stings more than 10 compliments? You're not alone. Our brains are wired to remember negative experiences more vividly. But what if we could use this to our advantage? It's called the negativity bias. It's an evolutionary survival mechanism. Remembering threats helped our ancestors stay alive. This bias still affects us today, influencing our decisions and perceptions. Instead of dwelling on the negative, try reframing it. What did you learn from the experience? How can you use that knowledge to grow? Turn setbacks into stepping stones. Take time to reflect on negative experiences. Don't just replay the event. Analyze it. Identify the triggers, your reactions, and alternative responses. This conscious reflection builds resilience. Use negative feedback as fuel for improvement. Seek out constructive criticism and use it to refine your skills. Remember, even failures offer valuable lessons. Don't let negativity define you. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it to propel yourself forward. Share this video with someone who needs a boost and comment below with one thing you've learned from a negative experience. Let's turn negativity into our collective superpower.